This is a connection with power supply of the machine, and the machine is three-phase 318 volt, and the yellow color is ground wire, and the blue color wire is neutral, and the brown and white and black color is live wire connected. Turn on the power supply. This is the water chiller, a plus tube connected, and then the thin plus tube connecting this one and this one, and the big one connect this one and this one. Both of them, the hole is out of the water, and both of them it's water in. So two tube for in, two tube for out. And this is totally power on the machine. It's turned on. We call it air switch. This is natural gas. When the machine working, how to connect it, then get natural. And this is the air port. Also can control the oxygens. And this is foot switch. It's being connected to the foot switch. When you world something, you can press foot and then the switch and starting working. And this port connected water chiller. And this one is power supply. Now turn on the power. Now turn on the emergency and the service driver water chiller. Okay, you can see some. When the system is running, it means it's normal, it's working. And when you go to the machine, the water chiller temperature we already set up well, so you don't need to set up the parameters. Just turn it on. Now the water chiller is off. Now I turn on this switch. Press power to start. Now the water chiller is start working. We have to add water just with full water to water tank like this. After turn on this switch and wait 30 seconds. Wait 20 seconds. It's computer power supply laser. After turn on the laser. It have to wait 10 seconds. After press laser start. Remember 10 seconds after press laser start. Okay. After we have to see the IPG laser source is turned on. just click this switch and the little source light turn on like this. So right now we can open the software. So if the letters mentioned in encryption is okay, so the machine software connected and can use. Right now we can test some operation. This is a red light. Let me see. Do you see the red light with red color? Yes. Yes. This is the red light. Okay. After turn on the gap head, now the red light became the cycle red light. It's a round circle, round circle. Before just not round shape. Now turn off. You can see. Okay, we have to turn on.